Hey guys, it's Jessie here with another video for you. Today I am finally going to unbox the swap kit by ThinOptics that I promised a couple of videos ago when I unboxed the curated collection. So the swap kit finally arrived and here it is. As you can see, here is the box that I got from ThinOptics and I am going to unbox it for you. Inside the box there is another box. Yes, that's how it comes. And here is the box that you will receive when you buy the swap kit. Well, first of all, there are two kinds of swap kits. You can either get the swap kit alone and it will cost you about $5, or you can get a gift set composed of 3 universal pods or 2 universal pods and a keychain, and that will give you the swap kit for free. And the gift set will cost you, I believe, about $50. But anyway, if you want more information, just click on the link below and it will take you to the website where you can see the correct price. Okay, so let's look at the swap kit right now and see what's inside. One important thing to remember is that ThinOptics is experimenting with different packaging. So if you do not get this box in the mail, if you get a different box in the mail, don't fret. It's just because ThinOptics is still working on the best packaging to get the product to you. So this is the one that I received. This is how it came to me, this white box, and let's see what's inside. But before we go ahead, I have to say that this is not a paid advertisement. ThinOptics did send the swap box for me for free, but they are not paying me to make this review. So this is the gift box that contains the swap kit for free. This is the metal plate that goes on your iPhone or directly on your phone. Here is the instruction folder on how to install it. Then you have some magnets, and I will explain how that works very soon. And the gift set. In this case, you can choose either 3 universal pods or 2 universal pods and a keychain. So you can either choose 3 universal pods with the readers or 2 universal pods and a keychain. It comes also with the readers. So here are the ones that they sent me. Let's take a look. This one is from the art lifting collection entitled 7. Look at these tropical colors, beautiful. Then we have this one here, which is also from the art lifting collection party in the USA. I love this one with my favorite city in New York. And then we have this one here from the Gregory Burns collection, Carry On, Keep Walking. Look at those colors. Obviously, you can choose any print you want. The ones that I have here are just examples, but if you go to the ThinOptics page, you will be immersed in a myriad of different prints. You will go crazy. I love them all. And here we have, for instance, a keychain. Look at this keychain. Oh my God. It is so gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And obviously the swap kit. The swap kit is basically a metal plate that you're supposed to attach to the back of your phone case or directly on your phone. And it also comes with some magnets. So what's the difference between the gift set and the swap kit? Well, the swap kit is for those who already have glasses. So if you already purchased a pair of readers from ThinOptics and now you want to use the swap kit just to swap your cases between one and the other, then you can order just the swap kit. And like I said, that will be the metal plate and the magnets. So the metal plate is very straightforward. As you can see here, it's very simple. Here it is. It has this adhesive on the back, and this part will be attached to the back of the phone. As you can see here, for instance, I have the metal plate already attached to the back of a phone case. So the way it works is that if you only buy the swap kit, you attach the plate to the back of your phone or phone case, and then you will get one of the magnets, okay, and attach to the back of the readers. This is the universal pod, as you can see, and here is the magnet attached. And now how it works, once you have the plate at the back installed on the back of your phone, all you have to do is just this. Look at that. And there you go. And the case is attached. So this is really handy in case you have, for instance, more than one reader, and once in a while you just want to swap them. So all you have to do is take them out like that, because it's magnetic, and attach the other one. So let's open this one here, for instance. And here I have the glasses. So let's put the glasses in the box like that, like so. Okay. And now if I want to swap this one, this is all I have to do. Just put it there, and there you go. So as you can see now, I have a different reader with the same case, and when I want to go and swap to the other, I just pull it like this, and I attach the other one. And you always have a different reader with you. I just love this system. As you can see, I have so many readers here that once in a while I want to swap from one to the other. In this one, for instance, as you can see my iPhone here, I have the leather case by Apple. This one is not removable because I actually attached it directly to the phone case. So for instance, if you don't have the swap kit, you probably have the reader with the sticker, and once it attaches, it stays there. So for instance, if I want to have a different reader, I would have to change the phone case. Obviously, you can always detach this, and once you detach it, then you can actually, you will need another sticker to put on another phone. This is why I think the swap kit is so handy, because it makes it easier for you to swap from one to the other. So look at this hanger. This is so beautiful, and here is where the magic happens. Look at that. So if you have this on your keys, you will never be without your readers again. You will always have something there to help you when you need to read those very tiny letters that you can't read without your glasses. Just find your sweet spot. You just get used to where you are going to wear them, and yes, it's there for you when you need it. And swapping from one to the other, it's so easy. I just love these glasses because they are so stylish, you know, and you will never be without glasses again. And this is so amazing. Again, remembering, these readers are not supposed to replace your prescription glasses. Those are still important. These readers are meant to be used when you find yourself without your regular glasses and you still need to read something, those tiny letters, and this will save your life in so many situations. It has saved mine since I bought my very first ThinOptics like 4 months ago. And I made my very first review. I've been in love with these readers so much that I can't live without them. I can't believe that I lived without these readers for so long, but obviously I wasn't aware of them, and I would like to thank my friend for actually pointing them out to me. And the moment I saw them, the moment I tried them on, I fell in love, and this is what happened. Here I am making a third review on this product. I also did a live stream on ThinOptics page. It was last week, where I actually unboxed this for the very first time. It was 1 hour in front of the camera talking to consumers. They were sending in their questions and I was answering their questions. It was such an amazing experience. I loved it, and people were so happy with these readers, and this is why I am so happy to be able to share this with you, because it's like I'm not asking you to go buy them, but I'm just sharing with you my experience, and because it's been so positive, I think you should know. So guys, I hope you enjoy this very short review of the swap kit. If you still have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day. Bye!